Welcome to Netafim South Africa. I'm Gerdie de Lange, Marketing Manager. We have a few announcements and insights we'd love to share with you. I can easily kick off with a list of challenges, changes that impact the industry negatively, and general bad news. But that is not why we are here today. Yet we need to face these challenges together to adapt to continue growing more with less. This past year has been strewn with drastic input cost increases, volatile exchange rates, and the increased necessity to focus on the environmental impact and more. Agriculture is definitely challenged to produce more with less, to feed the rapidly growing population with limited resources, whilst protecting the environment for our future generations. Now that I've set the scene, let's hear from two Netafim experts about the Netafim story, our purpose, and the road ahead. I'm joined here by Michael Esmeraldo, Netafim South Africa's Managing Director, and Joe le Roux, Factory Manager for Netafim South Africa. We house one of 18 manufacturing plants across the globe. Joe, as head of the department, please tell us more about the local dripline manufacturing plant right here in Cape Town.
I'd love to, Gerdie. Local dripline manufacturing started in 1999 with 2 extruders. It was very successful, and today we have 3 extruders running 24/7. In 2015, we upgraded to state-of-the-art line control systems, and in 2017, we invested in 3 brand new extruders. Our current locally produced products include Uniram, Dripline PC, and Iris Dripline, with wall thicknesses ranging from 0.3 to 1.5 millimeters.
Thanks, Joe. That's really impressive. But I believe you have some good news to share with us, don't you?
That's correct, Gerdie. Netafim South Africa has been an importer of Streamline X for many years. But with the upgrade of one of our production lines, we now have the capability of producing Streamline X locally. The decision to produce Streamline X locally was based on strategic reasons as well as market readiness. Local products allows for faster and more stable supply to the market. It's more cost effective. It's got a stimulating effect on the economy, and it's got a smaller environmental footprint.
Streamline X is known for a robust product, and people talk about this product. But Michael, what makes this product so special?
Yeah, thanks, Gerdie. It really is the toughest thin wall dripline ever made. We actually tested in South Africa and in Israel. And it's tough for two reasons. Basically, first of all, is it has supreme clogging resistance within the emitter itself. What it means is it takes a long time for that dripper to clog up under tough conditions. Secondly, it gets produced with ribs on the inside as well as the outside of the pipe. And this is what makes it so durable. Regular users of thin wall dripline will know how sensitive these types of products are to damages in the field. And now at last, we have a cost-effective product that doesn't compromise on the quality.
It's a worldwide phenomenon that there's a shift towards thin wall drip. Netafim historically has been known for its premium heavy wall drip products in the market. But it is also important for Netafim to adapt to market needs and to give the farmer what he needs to grow more with less. Michael, where does the thin wall dripline fit into this Netafim story?
Gerdie, you're 100% correct. There's definitely a trend towards thinner wall driplines all across the globe. And as Joe previously mentioned, we always had the capability to manufacture medium wall and heavy wall driplines in South Africa. Now at last, we can also manufacture the thin wall driplines. So where this product typically gets used is for people that grow seasonal crops like vegetables, and also for guys that are just starting out. You know, this is a cost-effective product that you don't need to make that initial big investment. You just want to get going, and this is exactly where this fits in. It also gets used in single-use applications, for example, if you just want to germinate your crop. So we're very excited to have this product as part of the portfolio.
Exactly that, Michael. It's very important for us also to have the best product in the field to help the farmer grow more with less. Efficiency can only happen with the best irrigation system to help with certain conditions for every farmer. But besides having the best product, it's also very important to have the best quality product. Now, Joe, why is quality so important, and how is quality ensured in the manufacturing of our products?
Gerdie, quality is not negotiable, and Streamline X is one of the most difficult products to produce, with wall thicknesses below 0.2 of a millimeter and production speeds of up to 300 meters per minute, a lot can go wrong. Netafim has got some of the best inline quality detection systems in the world, together with our dedicated staff with years of experience. We are confident about the quality of the products that leave our factory. We have a very strong brand name and a very good quality track record, and we understand the importance of quality to our end users.
Thanks, Joe. That's really a massive highlight for the irrigation industry. Michael, what lies ahead for Netafim, say in the next 30 years and beyond?
I think when we wake up in the morning, we need to make a decision, are we really willing to make a difference in the world or not? With our mother company, Orbia's slogan being advancing life around the world, and Netafim Global slogan being grow more with less, we really try and live by these mantras. I think for us, it's important to unite as an industry. We need to use our resources sustainably. But not only that, we need to upskill and uplift the communities around us. That's the only way to ensure ongoing success. There's been so many highlights over the past 30 years, and I personally am very excited to see what the future holds for us. So let's all stand together and continue to help the world grow more with less.